career in research and if you want to do our doctoral degree, it is mandatory for us to clear the entrance examinations conducted by various universities, and the only person who get exempted is the persons who have cleared the GATE, NET or SET examinations within the past 5 years. That is very, very essential. So in connection to this, the Badasan University Tiruchirappalli, they have recently called for filling the online examinations for the PhD qualifying entrance examination to be conducted in the month of August. So you people, you can enroll yourself under the 5 heads: Faculty of Arts, Faculty of Science, Faculty of Language, Commerce and Management, and under the 39 subjects, out of which you can select your choice based on your PG specialization. So this is very, very essential. So your PG degree is very, very important, and MPhil degree is also a added advantage. Any candidate who has completed his or her post graduation with 50% of marks as far as SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer, person with disability, and 55% for others are eligible to apply for this online PhD qualifying entrance examination. The candidate may or may not possess MPhil degree, that is immaterial. I have furnished the other necessary important informations for your knowledge, so please note it down. The cost of online application form for SC ST candidate is rupees 708, that is 708, and for others it is rupees 1180, and you have to use your net banking or credit card for payment. Definitely you cannot use your debit card, so please note it down. Debit card is not allowed for online payment of examination fee, and the last date of submission of application form is 31/7/2021. I repeat, the last date for submission of online application form is 31/7/2021 at 11:59 p.m. And if you look into the syllabi, the question you will be getting is 50 MCQs, 50 multiple choice questions, and the syllabi they will be following is the post graduation syllabus offered by Badasan University for a maximum of 100 marks, and the mode of examination is only online, so you can take up the examination through any online medium. This point again to be noted. And your entrance examination detail, the mode of examination already I have mentioned, it is online. The date of examination is 22/8/2021 Sunday at 10 a.m. So the date of examination is 22/8/2021 Sunday at 10 a.m. And herewith I have given the online demo for filling up this particular PhD qualifying entrance examination application form. So please note it down and make this particular post a useful one. Give your comments in the comment section. Thank you. Now I will be giving you the demo of how to apply for your PhD qualifying exams or entrance examination under Badasan University online. So you can use either your mobile phone or laptops or desktop computers to enter online. Now I am using my mobile phone for demo purpose. So I am going to enter using this particular Chrome browser, and my Google page opens, and here I am supposed to type BDU research section. Now click on the search button and your results will be listed, and here research section management Badasan University. This is the portal which we are in need of, so click in that particular portal. Now this particular page opens. This is the page where we are going to register ourselves for PhD online entrance examination. So it has so many menus, but we are interested only in PhD entrance. So click on PhD entrance, and once you click here, what you have is you have this particular page, and here please download the prospectus and read all the instructions very carefully, and I am assuming that you have downloaded and read all the instructions. After that, go for apply now, and here it is confirming that whether you have read, and we are assuming that again you have read very carefully, so we are going with proceed. And once you press on proceed, this particular application form for online registration appears, and here you can find so many fields with the asterisk symbol, which means that you are supposed to enter all that particular field. That is the meaning of that particular asterisk, which means that that particular field is mandatory. So go through the application form very carefully and enter all the details. You are supposed to upload your photo here, and you are supposed to enter your name, your date of birth, your nationality, your gender, community. Everything will be very easy. Please be careful with the entering your communication address, because you will be getting all the postal informations to this particular communication address. So make sure that you enter your correct address. Your mobile number, 10-digit mobile number is very essential, because that is the mobile number in which the university people may call for any clarifications. And then you are supposed to enter your correct email ID. Please make sure this particular email ID is very active, and that is very essential, because you will be getting all the soft copy of informations only to this particular email ID. So that is very essential. You can select whether Aadhaar card or voter card as your ID, and you are just to enter whether you are physically challenged or not. After that, you are supposed to upload all your mark statements. So starting from 10th standard, you are going to upload your mark statement. So 10th mark statement you have to upload here. Then you are going to upload your 12th mark statement, upload your degree, that is very essential. And under the discipline section, you are going to enter whether you are going to go for arts, commerce, language management or science stream. So you are supposed to select which particular stream you are going to enter. After that, you are going to enter the percentage of your PG degree, and here you are type PG degree with the subject. So MSc Computer Science means you are supposed to type MSc Computer Science, and as I have said earlier, you have to type your PG percentage. After that, this particular field is not mandatory, but still you can enter from which particular institution or university you obtained your PG degree. After that, you have the option of uploading whether individual mark statement or cumulative mark statement. Please note that final year students also, before completing their degree, they can apply for entrance examination. So even if you don't have cumulative, no problem, still you can just upload all your semester wise mark statements under this particular column. And here you are going to upload your signature, scanned copy of your signature. Once every column is entered very correctly, before clicking on this particular register button which is on the right side, please make sure that you have entered all the information very correctly. Once you have entered all the information correctly, then you click on this particular register button. Okay, now I have not completed, so it is giving this particular information, but you people, I know very well that you will be entering all the columns very correctly. And once your registration is confirmed, then what you can do is you can just click on already registered column, and here it will be asking you to enter the mobile number or the email ID which you have used there, and your date of birth, and your application will be generated once you have registered. That particular application number you are supposed to type here, and then if you press login, you will be getting into that particular application form. So I hope this particular post would have been very useful for you and informative. So do subscribe and share this information, and you will be getting plenty of contents pertaining to education. Thank you. Meet you in the next post.